In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a seated pronated dumbbell bicep curl. Now, it's all the same cues as your normal bicep curl in a seated position, but you've got a pronated grip. So as opposed to a palm up grip, you've got a palm down grip as you complete your bicep curls. What this is going to do is it's going to make it harder to keep a nice straight angle at the wrist. It's also going to put more emphasis on your forearm extensors. So what I'm going to do firstly is bring my feet together and my knees together. This gets them out of the way when I'm doing my bicep curls. I'm going to bring my hands into a palm down grip, chest up, bracing my core, and I'm going to flex just the elbow as I come up and slowly return back to my start position. So chest up, shoulders back, bracing the core as I bring the elbow into flexion, and slowly lower those weights back down as I bring my elbow into extension. You would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how you do a pronated dumbbell bicep curl.